Hi, welcome to Smart Academy. Now we discuss the SCU MSc Physics 2018 question solutions. So here we have a eighth question. So if a point object moves in a plane according to x equal to a sin omega t and y equal to a sin 2 omega t. So what is the trajectory equation for these two displacements? Okay, so we have the four options are there. A equal to y of x equal to 2x into x square minus a square by a square. But B option is y of x equal to x into under root of 1 minus x square by a square. C option is y of x equal to under root of 1 minus x square by a square. This D option is y of x equal to 2x into under root of 1 minus x square by a square. If we are observing the four options, we have to find out this y value in terms of x. So in the given question, here x value, the point object displacement x equal to along the x direction at x value a sin omega t. Same this point object along the y direction, that displacement y equal to, will have a sin 2 omega t. From these two equations, now we find out the sin omega t here, that the sin omega t equal to x by a we can utilize. So from this equation, this sin 2 omega t equal to, we can utilize y by a here. So let it be equation 1, this one. From this equation, now we have to calculate the cos omega t. So this sin 2 omega t, it is in the form of sin 2a. Then expanding this one, we are getting 2 sin omega t cos omega t equal to y by a. Here we have the sin omega t value from the equation 1, that is equal to x by a. So we are putting here this sin omega t equal to x by a, then implies 2x by a into cos omega t equal to y by a. Here a get cancelled, then implies we are getting cos omega t value, that is y by 2x. Cos omega t equal to y by 2x. So let it be equation 2. Now squaring and adding these two equations, 1 square is 2 square. We are getting this sin square omega t plus, here left hand side of this two equation is cos omega, that is cos square omega t equal to, right hand side is x by a, nothing but x by a whole square, plus here second equation right hand side is y by 2x whole square. This y by 2x whole square. So here we have to find out the y value. It's y. Already we know that this value equal to 1. So then implies 1 equal to x by a whole square plus y by 2x whole square. Then implies this y by 2x whole square can be written as 1 minus of x square by a square. Implies this y by 2x value under root of 1 minus x square by a square. And finally we are getting this y equal to 2x into under root of 1 minus x square by a square. So this is the resultant equation. at y equal to 2x into under root of 1 minus x square by a square. This is tally with the equations number C option. Okay.